Ladies and gentlemen, today's lesson is simple. Confidence is good. Overconfidence blows up rockets. Today's episode is called The Rocket Engine That Exploded from Being Overconfident. And before you ask, yes, that is exactly what happened. Not sabotage, not aliens, not mysterious space forces, just humans saying, we got this. Engineers with too much confidence. Rocket engineers are brilliant, no argument. These people do math that would make your calculator quit, but engineers also have a weakness. They start believing their own hype. Somewhere in a lab, someone said, it'll be fine. That sentence has ended more space missions than gravity. The engine. This rocket engine was powerful, efficient, beautiful. It had graphs, charts, simulations, so many simulations. The engine passed test after test, and at some point, the engineers stopped testing and started flexing. Let's push it harder. Push it harder. You see, rockets are like egos. They work great until you push too far. Someone said, what if we exceed the limits? Just a little. Space does not respect just a little. The test begins. Engines roar, cameras rolling, everyone confident. You can feel it. That vibe, that we're geniuses energy. And space said, bet. Boom. Then it happened. Not a pop, not a warning. A full-blown career-ending, budget-destroying boom. The engine exploded like it had something to prove. Silence after the explosion. Silence. That's the worst part. No cheering, no alarms. Just engineers staring like, well, the replay. They replayed the footage. Slow motion. Frame by frame. This is where engineers become philosophers. Interesting. That shouldn't have happened. It did. It absolutely did. Blame phase. Then comes blame. Was it materials? Was it pressure? Was it temperature? Or was it someone ignored a warning because confidence felt better than caution? The warning they ignored. Because there was always a warning. There is always a warning. Some engineer said, maybe we shouldn't push it that far. That engineer is now legendary. Management energy. Management said, we're behind schedule. Space does not care about schedules. Space operates on physics, not deadlines. The report. After the explosion comes the report, a very calm report, full of phrases like unexpected behavior, anomaly, lessons learned. Translation, we got cocky. Why this is hilarious? Because rockets don't care how smart you are, they care about math. You can't negotiate with combustion, you can't gaslight physics. Engine versus ego. The engine didn't fail, the ego did. The engine just followed the rules, humans tried to bend them. Internet reaction. Internet engineers arrived immediately. I knew this would happen. No, you didn't. Could have fixed it. No, you couldn't. The cost millions, sometimes billions, gone. In one moment of, let's see what happens. Why we keep doing this? Because progress requires risk. But risk without humility? That's fireworks. The real lesson. Test more. Listen to warning. Respect limits, or space will humble you violently. Final rant. Humanity isn't bad at rockets. We're bad at restraint. We don't stop when we should. We stop when something explodes. So next time you hear, a rocket engine exploded during testing, know this. It wasn't failure. It was confidence going unchecked and space correcting the attitude.